ओम ओम ओम। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वेभिः सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात्। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः ओम तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ओम महादेवी विद्महे दुर्गायै धीमहि तन्नो देवी प्रचोदयात्। ओम त्र्यंबकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्युर्मोक्षमामृतात्। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। संकल्प प्रभवान कामास्त्योक्ता सर्वान शेषतः मनैसेवेन्द्रिय ग्रामं विनियमं समन्ततः। While doing dhyana, the meaning is while doing dhyana you have to withdraw all the senses from their character and put inside your mind. All the senses have to be controlled. सर्वभूत स्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि ईशते जोगयुक्तात्मा सर्वत्र समदर्शनः। While doing dhyana or in yoga, you have to see yourself in all the creatures and all the creatures in you. Means samatva bhava means treating all the people like yourself only. Meditation or dhyana, you know, there are Buddha meditation, heartfulness meditation, dhyana dharana samadhi in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Gayatri meditation, Mahamrutyunjaya meditation. These are all meditations are there. Meditation or dhyan means concentration, but concentration into what? Like Vipassana meditation, concentrating on breathing system. It is a very popular meditation also. So what exactly concentrating on what? First, you see Vipassana meditation concentrating on air means slowly you get the pranic energy. Pranakarsan kriya bolte hai. It is a very popular thing and many people S.N. Goenka, he has preached that from Buddha meditation. But myself, first I concentrated in Buddha meditation like this. I started 20 years back. Simply I started like this. I was very frustrated and because of this job and monetary and all other problems, I was very much disturbed. So after getting tired, I come to my home or go to the temple, and before Buddha Bhagavan, I sat like this. So this is heartfulness, this is heart chakra. When I sat like this, my mind ultimately went to my heart. So in Reiki meditation, another meditation is Reiki meditation. What they do, they first contemplate one Ganga energy from above, like Bhagavan Shankar. They put there into their sahasrara one white color energy. Thereafter Agyan Chakra, Visuddha Chakra, Heart Chakra, and into their palms, and they put into different places for 3 minutes, 4 minutes like this. Another meditation is this Sambhavi Raja Yoga, means putting a light before you and just concentrating into this. So if you just if you find the actual uh, actual method of meditation, for what the purpose, the actual objective of meditation, you can find that three things they do. First, they withdraw the senses, pratyahara. Before doing meditation, uh, they do pratyahara. Then they do hold. Hold means dharana and dhyana. Then pratyahara and dharana are two primary steps for meditation. Pratyahara means all the senses, my mind is always running with my senses. I will do this, I want this, I want to do this. So slowly you have to withdraw your senses from the desired things. Then you put omkar or anything else you think, chakra meditation, into different chakras, Muladhara chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, Manipur chakra, Anahat chakra, Heart chakra, Visuddha chakra, Agyan chakra and Sahasrara. Then in Dr. Praveen Kapadia, he has put Omkar. Omkar means, because Hinduism or yoga follows Omkar, so this concentration, this energy of Bhagavan Shiva or Chandra, moon god. So first, what does he do? In the naval or Manipur chakra, yellow color or red color, because it is the place of fire, red color or yellow color omkar he put. Then Anahat chakra, this is the place of air. These two places are of air, and this is of sun or moon place. So here black or blue color, black and blue color, these two things, because air is having two colors, black and blue, Shiva. And then hereafter Agyan chakra, Shiva and sun and moon or sky, this is sky. So here he puts white color or orange color, omkar energy. So this is the dharana. So first you are doing pratyahara, means withdrawing the senses. Thereafter what you are doing? Holding, means putting the desired energy. Chakra, some people did chakra, there are some symbols, colors of chakras, they meditate into that. And Vipassana meditation, only breathing on, only concentration on breathing. So thereafter I do dhyana. So dhyana means, dhyana is also, there are many things given by many people, but even though I have read those things, but I could not follow them properly. But whatever I understand and whatever I follow, first you have to concentrate on body points. Body points means like chakras. So particularly this Muladhara chakra, Heart chakra and Agyan chakra. These three things, or Sahasrara is also the higher stage of meditation. Like this, we have 5 bodies. This Annamaya Kosha, Manamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Vijnanamaya Kosha, Anandamaya Kosha. So all these things in during meditation or pratyahara and dharana, you have to slowly, your mind has to cross all these things and put into Anandamaya Kosha. So first in dhyana, after doing pratyahara and dharana, you have to concentrate on body points. And first when I concentrate on my heart, I see a light on the heart. I visualize a light on my heart. Thereafter, what I think, I just leave all the things, because pratyahar, my senses have been controlled, under control or visualized to be controlled. So what happens? I leave all the desires from outside and slowly I concentrate on that point. And slowly from my body part, I go into light. Deep meditation. Okay. And the third stage is, even you just forget about your body. Simply you concentrate on the source energy. Okay. So that is Paramatma. So continuous meditation is required. But some people like Vikesh Iyengar, what he did in postures, he meditated. So I will say Plavini Pranayam in Vajrasana, in Padmasana, he meditated. In that, when we are doing postures, what we are thinking that we are doing blood circulation, we are activating that point, or we are reducing the fat content, or we are energizing our body. All these things we think. But he concentrated on chakras while doing postures also. So I am doing first. First, what I do Sirsasana, and I just concentrate on Agyan Chakra. Okay. So this dhyana I am doing with postures plus meditation. So for a short period, even in Sirsasana, you can put your mind into your Agyan Chakra, visualize that, and draw Omkar over there. So slowly, as the time you go with your time, slowly you leave all the things and you concentrate on your Sirsasana, your that point only, and you slowly go into meditation. Okay, after Sirsasana, we are doing Plavini, and in Plavini, you also concentrate on your Agyan heart chakra and contemplate heartfulness meditation. You visualize a light over there in your heart, a spiritual light. So in Plavini pranayam, I try to concentrate. I try to concentrate on my heart chakra. Dhyana requires 5 hours, 3 hours like this meditation. But daily, for some time, if you are if you have attained the perfection, means you are easily you can follow, and you don't require much time to concentrate on your mind, body, and on your energy level. Then what happens? 20 minutes, 30 minutes, or 40 minutes meditation is sufficient. So Plavini pranayam or 2 minutes or 3 minutes I concentrated. Now महामृत्युंजय मंत्र में मन ही मन चांट कर रहा हूँ. और ध्यान कर रहा हूँ विपासना मेडिटेशन में. I am withdrawing the senses. I am putting Omkar symbols into different chakras. I am chanting Mahamrutyunjay. मेरा मूल बंध लगा हुआ है. आई एम इनटू अपान वायु मुद्रा. Reiki meditation I am doing on my back side, drawing symbols on my Ajna chakra. On my thyroid point, Reiki. Heart problem, there are many reasons for heart problem. Particularly inability to breathe properly. Okay, because to breathe, all our body parts should support our breathing. Like this, we just discussed last time that Sambhavi is a process to clean your brain, the cups of the brain. Kapalbhati is a process to to clean the brain. Like that, reverse postures are good for blood circulation. Okay, so we discussed these things, like that blood pressure and sexual desires, or sexual involvement for a very much repeatedly, most often, okay, for a very long period. Also, your reduces the functioning capacity of your heart. So, for that reason, Swami Satyanarayana of Bihar School of Yoga, Mahabhed, he told, when you do Mahabhed, then you at least reduce the chances of a heart problem. Mahabhed, because even night dreams, if you are having, even though you are not having sexual involvement, but if you are having night dreams, means all the energy system are drainaged. Okay, you become very weak. So your body parts don't function well. So due to that body parts don't function well, your you become unable to draw oxygen into your heart. Okay, so we do some this Mahabheda. Mahabheda, which is specially designed to do dhyana in Mahabheda, means visualizing chakras, contemplation of chakras in Mahabheda. Mahabheda, you know the heel to be touched, to be touching your Agya Chakra, the perineum point, other heel has to be put above that. Then you start breathing breath out from the side of the leg which is down, which is touching the ground. Breathe in, breathe out 21 times and concentrate on your heartfulness meditation, heart chakra. मूलबद्ध लगा रहता है, यू आर इन टू अपान वायु मुद्रा. again I want to say that for dhyana the first step is to withdraw your senses, pratyahara. Dharana means putting some chakras in your mind into different places of the body, or omkar into different places of the body. Then comes dhyana or meditation. In meditation, first you have to visualize the body part, a light over there, or a chakra or omkar over there. Slowly your mind goes deep into your that place, and slowly you forget the body. And third step is you forget everything, and you just get connected with the source energy. Okay, I am doing again Mahabheda, because we will do 5 or 6 minutes Mahabheda. Whichever leg is down, you have to breathe out from that side. Other heel has to be above that. From that side only you breathe in, breathe out. 21 times breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out from other side. Both nostrils.